Interclean Amsterdam is one of the most important global gatherings for the cleaning and facility solutions industry, bringing together innovators, educators, and leaders from around the world to explore the future of cleaning. This year, ISSA will play an active role in the education program, moderating sessions, participating in panel discussions, and connecting with industry professionals across healthcare, hospitality, and commercial facility management. People like you. Well, what can those attending this event expect? Let's find out. I welcome to the program Linda Liebert, the Executive Director of the Healthcare Services Institute, a division of ISSA, along with David Swindle, ISSA Director of Training, Education, and Field Services, both of which are packing their bags and heading to Amsterdam. David and Linda, thank you for being here. Well, let's get right into it. Linda, let's start with you. Why are you going to Amsterdam? What's going on with your programs? And I know you're excited. Talk about that.
So I'm really excited. I've never been to Amsterdam before. I'm excited that we're going to be talking about healthcare. I've got several sessions. I'm doing a panel. I'm speaking about innovation. And then finally, I was invited to speak to the African Cleaning Forum, which will also be a lot of fun. So we're talking healthcare, and I'm excited that ISSA has an important role in this year's big event.
Now, David, you're going along as well. Talk about your role at Interclean and what you expect to see there.
Well, Jeff, I am, like Linda, very excited. It's my first trip to Europe, and my role is really going to be helping to moderate one of the panels we have on our third day. Throughout those 3 days, we're going to be working with focusing in on healthcare with Linda. We'll be talking about AI and the use of that, hospitality and leisure. And on that third day, when we are talking about workplace and commercial, the future of smart facilities, we have a variety of panelists that we're excited to be able to work with. And I'm going to be focusing really on how innovation and technology is being able to be used in training in the workforce development.
Linda, let's go to you. And if someone were to ask you, if I come to your sessions, what am I going to get? What can I take away?
So I think the most important thing is you're going to learn a lot about healthcare that a lot of times people don't normally think of. One of the sessions I'm doing is around the foundation of surfaces and how they contribute to the spread of infection. Another one is around innovation, like David said. A lot of innovation is coming into healthcare as a secondary solution. There's a lot of supportive and new tools and innovation that can help us reduce infection rates. So that's another one of my sessions. And then I'll be on a panel talking with other manufacturers about healthcare cleaning and their technology as well. You're going to learn a lot. You will
Wait,
go away with a new form of education in healthcare.
is that a promise?
That is a promise.
Okay. David, I know you are really focusing on training and certification. From that lens, what will people get when they attend your sessions?
I think one of the things that we're seeing is how much technology is affecting training. The use of AR, VR, as well as just AI technology in general. So we're going to focus in on those things. But I'm also excited that we're going to have other panelists there as well. Individuals like Jill Fry, who is from our Innovations Committee, Helge Alt from our Sustainability Committee. They're going to be there also promoting and talking about how that impacts both training, but also just in general workforce development and our industry as a whole.
David, I know besides the education events, walking around Amsterdam and enjoying everything, there's a booth that ISSA is taking care of. Talk about that. What can members expect there?
We're excited that Interclean's provided us a space there, a booth at the show. We're going to be working with our ISSA EMEA team as well at the booth. There, the focus is going to be on our global initiatives, our things such as our member value and engagement, initiatives such as VEO and Hygiea, Women in Clean, as well as sustainability. So everybody is invited. All of our members can register for free to attend, and we invite them to come by, interact with all of us. We'll have our support from our leadership team at the booth as well. So it's a great opportunity for us to network and connect at the show.
A busy booth is a good thing, so I'm sure you're both looking forward to that. In closing, we also want to mention the special ISSA and RAI networking reception. That's going to be on Wednesday, April 15th at 3 p.m. Attendees of that can connect with ISSA leaders and members, and just another opportunity to get together and to share ideas, concepts, and visions. So both of you enjoy and stay out of trouble, okay?
We're going to try. Thanks, Jeff.
Sure.